Hello everyone and welcome to CashFlow Rebels. Thank you for watching and checking on our dividend investing portfolio. I started this channel to help learn new ideas and see a low startup portfolio come to life. You are here to see the ups and downs and all the real action that is happening with this portfolio. But before we start, please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up if you really like it. Let us know so that way we can continue making more videos like this. So I know I haven't posted anything in a while, and due to some workflow issues, I had to take a break and organize. A lot has been happening since then, and first I want to go over the changes that happened. So as of now, there's a bear market, so please keep in mind that a lot of these stocks are down. And I personally don't mind because it's a great time to buy and help lower my average price. Back in January, I did a video about ICANN Enterprises, a stock symbol IEP. And I only had a few shares at the time, and even though I know it was in my Roth IRA portfolio, they gave me a form, which is a 10K form, and I know a little bit about business structure, but I didn't want to have the extra forms to my accountant and kind of go through that extra up and down. So I decided to sell my shares and just find another better stock. Another change I made was just a few months ago with AT&T and its new stock of Discovery Warner Media. I sold the stock for two reasons. One, because the stock didn't give me a dividend, and two, because I didn't want to have that much exposure to media sector, so it didn't really help my overall view for my portfolio. So I decided to sell them and just move on to the next stock. I also removed some of the monthly dividend stocks like AGNC and PSEC. I don't know exactly the details to why, but I know it was because I wanted to have more exposure to some long-term growth stocks. These two stocks did have higher dividend yields, but they didn't grow much. And I was okay with that because now if I really want to go back into them, I can get them at a much lower price and still get a high dividend yield. So now my changes that I've made, I purchased 3M stocks, and I also started to purchase Pfizer to grow. And I also purchased Alteria. I purchased also some Iron Mountain, which is like a real estate company that handles forms and papers. There's also Enos, which is a growing business that handles distribution forms and private labels for businesses. I'm gonna plan to make a video for each one of these stocks so that way you can see the portfolio growing. So far right now, the stocks are down, and it shows my portfolio being roughly about $1,000 down. Here are all the other stocks that I also have in the portfolio, so you can see here and know that these are the ones that are in my portfolio now. Please just let me know if you guys have any questions or anything that you guys want to do another video on, and I'll be happy to help. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.